guys, it is us, the Squishy Twins. This is Emma. She moved very sadly.
Hi.
Not going to tell you where. And I'm Ariana. And today we're going to be reviewing.
Yeah, of course you are.
Today we are going to be reviewing some panda squishies. Got it?
Pandas.
So we're going to go from really small and really lame to the best. Now I'm going to show you my mouth. I'm so sorry if we look up there because right now we are looking at the camera. Sorry. I'm so sorry. So.
I cannot see a thing.
My face. You good, Em?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do. Okay. So, I'm so sorry if I look up there. Got it? So, we first up have this really simple...
Tiny squishy.
Tiny. It's not very slow rising, just any simple panda squishy, but it is so cute.
Wait, Ariana.
Yes?
Tell them about, this has to be the weirdest video ever because you're not actually with your friend.
This is so sad. Okay, let's see this. By the way, like and subscribe to our channel. We are hoping for more subscribers because then we can get the money to get Emma to move back. Right, Emma?
Yeah, great. And get the the silver button.
Yes.
Nice.
So please like this video. We're also going to be doing some vlogs and shout outs in our next video. Got it?
Yeah.
If you guys comment, shout out on this video. Okay.
And say like and subscribe.
Next up we have this adorable squishy. It's slow rising and small. It's so cute. What? Is it covering?
It's ugly.
Emma, language. Okay.
It's ugly.
So like the weird thing is it squishes very well and it's slow rising. I love that about it. It's just so cool.
And it's ugly.
Please, Emma, don't call it ugly. Okay. Next
Hi,
up,
guys.
we have this really cute squishy. I named it Barnett. She's beautiful. She's not slow rising. She's kind of like fast, if anything.
Okay, just keep going.
And she has a little red pinkish bow right there. BT Dubs, guys, I get this on Amazon. I just search up random toys and...
Oh, by the way, Ariana,
yes.
Put them in the description below so they actually know.
Okay, got it. Okay, so the next up is I got this super jumbo squishy. If you guys on camera can't see it, but it is humongous. And it's
humongous.
Slow rising beauty. It is so soft. I just love it.
Wait, I need to tell you guys something.
Yes.
Go check out her other channel too. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, my other channel is Ariana Bridges. Please like that channel. Subscribe. I need some help. My brother is tormenting me.
Yeah, right.
Girl.
As I get home from school.
I love it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching our first video. Please like, subscribe. And we'll put in the description below where I got these toys.
All those squishies. And the next video, we're gonna introduce more squishies.
Yeah, more.
And way more, and way more, and way more.
Okay. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.
Bye.